Boys and girls, we're going to talk about comparing fractions. We've been working on that for the last couple days. How to compare fractions. Which one's smaller? Which one's bigger? And we have three ways to do that, three ways to compare fractions. The first way is we make a model of both of the fractions and then just eyeball it. Just look at them and you can see which one's bigger, okay? So making a model. So here we have 1/3 and 3/4. Which one's bigger? We don't know. We have to make a model. So we have the first one, 1/3. So we're going to draw two lines, and now we have that bar model split up into three pieces, 1, 2, 3, and we shade in 1. Perfect. This one is 3/4. So we have to split up our bar model into 4 pieces. So we draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Now it's split up into 4 pieces, and we shade in 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And now we can just look at them, just eyeball them and say, well, which one's bigger? Oh, definitely 3/4. Okay? So we can say 3/4 is greater than 1/3. Okay? The next way to compare them is to find a common denominator. We list the multiples, we find the smallest multiple they have in common, and then we create two equivalent fractions using that new denominator. And we've been doing that for the last couple days, okay? So let me do that really quick. We have 3, so 3, 6, 9, 12, multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12. Oh, there we go. We don't even have to write anymore, right? So 12. So we rewrite both these fractions using 12 as a denominator. Okay? How do we get from 3 to 12? Our missing factor is 4. So we times our numerator by 4. How do we get from 4 to 12? Times it by 3. So we times our numerator by 3. Okay? 4/12 and 9/12, and we know 9/12 is greater than 4/12. Okay? So that's what we've been working on. But now I'm going to show you a super easy way to see which one's bigger, okay? And it is easy. We did the other way first, the common denominators, because that's important that you guys know this. But now I'm going to show you a shortcut. This is going to blow your mind. Ready? So when we have two fractions, all we do is cross multiply. What is 4 times 1? 4. And we just put it up here. And then we cross multiply here. It looks kind of like a butterfly. What is 3 times 3? 9. And I see, what is bigger, 4 or 9? Boom, that is the bigger fraction. Okay, so that's our little secret shortcut. I'm going to do one more. Okay, let's do 2/7 and 3/4. So again, we cross multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. 4 times 2 is 8. And which is bigger, 8 or 21? Boom, 21 is definitely bigger. Okay, so that's a shortcut that we can use to compare fractions. And remember, some of them might be equal. Okay, like 1/2 and 2/4. Let's compare those. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So none is bigger than the other, right? Those two puppies are equal. So anyway, cross multiplying is just a little trick to help us compare fractions, and that's like a shortcut. So I hope that helps. We're going to do that today in our assignment.